Are you a business owner feeling tied down by your LegalZoom registered agent service? Perhaps looking for more control or a more cost-effective solution? Maybe you've moved, or your business has expanded, and your current registered agent no longer fits your needs. Whatever your reason, understanding how to effectively cancel your LegalZoom registered agent service is crucial for maintaining compliance and avoiding unnecessary fees. Many entrepreneurs start their journey with services like LegalZoom for the convenience they offer, especially when navigating the complex waters of business formation. A registered agent is a prime example of a seemingly minor detail that's actually a significant legal requirement. For those unfamiliar, a registered agent is a designated individual or entity responsible for receiving official legal and tax documents on behalf of your business. This includes things like service of process, tax notices, and annual report reminders. It's a non-negotiable part of maintaining your company's good standing with the state. LegalZoom, like many other online legal service providers, offers registered agent services as part of their comprehensive packages. They handle the task of being available during business hours at a physical address within your state of formation, ensuring that your business never misses a critical legal notice. This can be incredibly convenient, especially for new businesses or those without a physical office. However, as businesses evolve, so do their needs. You might find yourself in a position where you want to take over the registered agent duties yourself, appoint an employee, or switch to a different registered agent service provider that better aligns with your budget or offers additional features. The process of canceling a registered agent service isn't as simple as just clicking a button and walking away. Because a registered agent is a legal necessity, you can't simply discontinue the service without first appointing a new one. Failing to do so can lead to serious consequences for your business, including loss of good standing, fines, penalties, and even administrative dissolution by the state. This is why it's so important to approach this process systematically and ensure all legal obligations are met. So, if you're ready to take the reins or switch providers, let's break down exactly how to cancel your LegalZoom registered agent service without any hiccups. This isn't just about stopping a subscription. It's about a seamless transition that keeps your business legally sound. The first and arguably most critical step is appointing a new registered agent. You absolutely cannot cancel your existing LegalZoom service until a new agent is officially in place. This new agent could be yourself, another responsible individual within your company, or another professional registered agent service. When choosing a new registered agent, remember they must have a physical street address, not a P.O. box, in the state where your business is registered and be available during normal business hours to receive official documents. If you're going to act as your own registered agent, be prepared for this responsibility. It means being consistently available at that address. Once you've identified your new registered agent, the next step involves filing a change of registered agent form with the appropriate state agency. This is typically the Secretary of State or a similar business filing division. The specific form and filing procedure will vary by state, so it's essential to check your state's official business services website for accurate information and the correct forms. Many states offer downloadable forms online, and some even allow for online filing. Be sure to fill out the form accurately, including the name and address of your new registered agent, and have it signed by the appropriate party, usually an officer or authorized representative of your company, and sometimes the new registered agent as well, to confirm their consent. There may be a small filing fee associated with this change, though some states do not charge for this particular update. After you've successfully filed the change of registered agent form with the state, you'll receive a confirmation. This could be a filed document, a stamped copy, or an update visible on the state's business entity search portal. This confirmation is your proof that the change has been officially recorded, and it's absolutely vital for the next step. Now, with proof of your new registered agent in hand, you're ready to inform LegalZoom of the change and formally cancel their service. LegalZoom offers a few methods for cancellation. One common and often recommended method is to do it through your LegalZoom online account. Log in to your LegalZoom account, navigate to the My Account section, and look for Subscriptions or Payments. Under your active subscriptions, you should find your registered agent service. There, you'll typically see an option to cancel or manage subscription. When prompted, you'll likely need to upload the proof of your new registered agent filing with the state. This is why getting that state confirmation is so crucial beforehand. Another effective way to cancel is by contacting LegalZoom's customer care center directly. You can call their dedicated support line. Having your account details and the proof of your new registered agent filing ready will significantly speed up the process. Explain that you have appointed a new registered agent and wish to cancel your LegalZoom service. They will guide you through any additional steps and confirm the cancellation. While phone calls can sometimes involve wait times, they often provide immediate confirmation and allow for any questions to be addressed in real time. While less immediate than phone or online cancellation, sending an email to LegalZoom's customer care is also an option. In your email, clearly state your intent to cancel the registered agent service, provide your account information and order details, and most importantly, attach the proof of your new registered agent filing. Be aware that email cancellations might take a bit longer to process, so if you're on a tight deadline, a phone call or online cancellation is usually preferable. Once you've initiated the cancellation with LegalZoom, it's important to confirm that the service has indeed been terminated and that no further charges will be applied. Keep a record of your cancellation confirmation from LegalZoom, whether it's an email, a reference number from a phone call, or a screenshot from your online account. This documentation can be invaluable if any billing discrepancies arise later. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.